Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy A10s versus a Vivo Y12. So let's get right into it. And Vivo Y12 comes with a 5000 mAh battery size compared to the 4000 mAh battery size on the A10s. And both phones comes with a MediaTek Helio P22 processor, while the Vivo Y12 comes with a 3 cameras on the back versus a dual cameras on the A10s. And the RAM size is having a 2GB RAM on the A10s versus a 3GB RAM on the Vivo Y12. So let's quickly boot. And let's see who is going to be the fastest one with the boot up test. And Vivo Y12 is faster there, and Samsung Galaxy A10s is also right behind, about 1 or 2 second difference between both of these phones. And both phones comes with a 720p resolution display with a LCD, not a Super AMOLED on these devices. So let's see the apps opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background like always. Phone dialer faster on the Vivo Y12 and A10s is right behind. Settings, and that is faster on the Vivo Y12, just a tiny bit, not much a difference. My clock, that was about the same on both phones. So launching some more application like, and that is little bit quicker on the Vivo Y12, and Samsung Galaxy A10 is also right behind. My files, and that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A10s. Y12 is right behind. Calculator, and that was about the same on both phones. So moving some games application, and first is the Candy Crush, and Vivo Y12 is faster, and Samsung Galaxy A10 is also done, about 1 second difference there. So next up is the Subway Surfer, and both phones comes with the same processor, but the app's opening speed, it is very different. Very interesting result on these phones. And you can see again Vivo Y12 is faster, Samsung Galaxy A10s is right behind. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and let's see. And again Vivo Y12 is a little bit quicker, and Samsung Galaxy A10s is also right behind. Very small difference there. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera, and that is faster on the Vivo Y12. A10s is also right behind. So let's see the internet browsing speed, and I am using the Samsung internet browser on the A10s versus a Vivo internet browser on my Vivo Y12. So same Wi-Fi network. So first website is the apple.com, and that is faster on the Vivo Y12 and Samsung Galaxy. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A10s, now it is also done, and you can see very small difference there. So let's see the up down scrolling, and you can see looking very smooth on both phones. And you can see same thing with zooming in and out, no lag whatsoever, very smooth scrolling on both phones. Next website is the wwe.com. It's a heavy website. Let's see. And again Vivo Y12 is faster there, and the content is showing first on both phones up at the same time. That's a very interesting. And the scrolling is very smooth on both phones. I noticed some lags with my 1 day usage on the Samsung Galaxy A10s. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and 2GB RAM versus a 3GB RAM on the Vivo Y12. And Samsung One UI on the Samsung A10s, I think it is a lighter version of the One UI. It is called as One UI Core. So let's see, I hope it will improve with some software updates. And you can see RAM measurement is very bad on the Samsung Galaxy A10s. Almost all the application is refreshed in the background. Subway Surfer, that got also refreshed on the A10s. And you can see again refresh on both phones. And we are back to the internet browser that got also refreshed on the Samsung Galaxy A10s. So overall I have said that the app's opening speed is just a tiny bit faster on the Vivo Y12, very surprisingly, because the processor is same on both phones. A10s is right behind to the Vivo Y12. RAM management is very bad on both phones. I hope the RAM management will improve with some software updates in the future. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Samsung Galaxy A10s versus a Vivo Y12. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.